What's up YouTube? Welcome to my channel Comedy Tech Review and welcome to another walk around of the FZ25 in the version 3 variant, and this one comes with this bright red with black accents, and this one is roughly costing around 142 on road, and this is on road Hyderabad and AP. So what are the features and why you have to consider this vehicle if you're looking for a sporty 150cc vehicle? That is what you're going to check out in this video. What's up YouTube? Welcome to my channel. So start off is the engine. This engine delivers roughly around 14 PS, around 13 bhp, around 14 PS of power, which is mated to a very sleek and a smooth 5-speed gearbox. It comes with the fuel injection technology, and it is very smooth and very precise to drive. It has this massive 280 plus Nm front disc, which is single channel ABS, and it also has the rear disc, which is I think around 220 mm, but it is only single channel ABS. The reason for this vehicle to be very frugal and also very enjoyable to drive and nimble to drive is mainly because of this frame. This is a part exposed trellis frame, which is not only light but makes the bike more enjoyable to drive and more nimble to drive. The main highlight of the vehicle is certainly the tank. If you see from this side, it has a very beefier tank, which also has this integrated tank extensions, which is nice and makes the tank look very macho. The tank capacity inside, however, is roughly around 13 liters, but the tank extensions make it look pretty big. Another highlight of the vehicle is that the long and a very comfortable seat for both the passenger and the pillion, and also the grab rails are nicely integrated over here, and it comes in very handy. I like the rear tire hugger, which is also nicely done, and it is of good quality. The tires are tubeless. The rear one is again known for FZ to be the widest in this class, and these are the CEAT Zoom tires, and this is a 140 by 60 mm tubeless tires, which is 17 incher. The front is again the CEAT Zoom tires tubeless, and this one I believe is 100 by 80. From this side of the angle you get to see that this doesn't have any gimmicks like oil cool or liquid cooling. It's a simple air cooled engine which is BS6 ready, and over here you get to see the BS6 canister, which is tucked in nicely under the engine guard, which is again a fiber one. Another highlight for FZ being FZ is that it is a very muscular vehicle. Everything you get to see on this vehicle is all chunky and muscular, namely the front suspension, which is I believe one of the largest in the 150cc class of vehicles. I believe this is the 133 mm suspension in the front, which is telescopic unit, the chunkier fuel tank, the chunkier rear tire, 140 section tire, and the mono suspension, which is 7-step adjustable. This side of the angle you get to see that it is very nicely proportionate, but the center of the vehicle is where you get to see a lot of the mass concentration, which is over here, which makes it more centrifugally down towards the driver's side, but not towards the pillion on the rear side of the vehicle. This side you get to see that it also has the engine cutoff for the side stand, and you also have the 5-step gearing. It also comes with a center stand, and the rear chain cover is not a cover, but it almost kinds of protects the entire chain. It also has a neatly integrated sari guard. As per Indian government rules, we need to have a sari guard. So the bulbs in this unit is all LED, so you have an LED halogen turn by turn indicators. The rear light is LED, but the front is a completely digital LED treatment for the headlight. So I lit it up and I'll show it to you. It gets a single horn, and from this side you get to see that this is the look. It gets a very macho and a muscular look. So coming to the instrumentation pod, you get a reverse LED treatment. It has ABS, service reminder, a small completely digital console. I wish it was a little bit bigger, but yeah, so that's what it offers. It has a neutral switch. You can change the buttons, trip A, trip B over here. And I wish this also comes with Bluetooth capabilities that I have to further check. So a pretty sporty and a naked commuter from this side, and this is how it looks from the front when you switch on the vehicle, the LED treatment. I wish even they gave this small pilot light as LED. So if your budget is around 140 plus, and if you're looking for a sporty and a very refined 150cc vehicle which is more for a city purpose, then the FZ S5 and version 3.0 would be the right one for you, mainly because it has a couple of unique features which makes it stand apart from the rest of the 150cc offerings. Features like the LED headlight, which is all LED, a very chunky front suspension, a chunky and a beefy looking tank, and also the rear tire, which is a 140 mm 140 by 80 or 140 by 70 tire, which is a very big tire. And also the blue core patented Yamaha's fuel injection motor, which is not only slick and precise but also mileage friendly. So all these features only adds up to the overall appeal of the vehicle, and hence if your budget is around 142, this one would be the ideal choice for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do so, please like and subscribe to my channel. This is Kevin signing off, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.